Hello my besties, how are you? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a Christmas wreath with the Bestie Bow that we just made in the previous video. I'll provide a link for you in the description box below, but basically we use the ribbon from BJ's because you get so much more for your money. We cut 6 pieces 36 inches long and then measure all your loops 6 inches, alternate the ribbons, tie them all together, and then fluff, fluff, fluff until a big, beautiful Bestie Bow appears. It really is the easiest and so beautiful. That's why it's my subscribers' favorite. We are going to attach it to the green base today and decorate it further. Even though I made a lot of Bestie Bows, I still have a lot of ribbon left over, so we are just going to add some more. I'm gonna drop the rolls to the floor and cut the fishtails. Fold your ribbons in half and then cut diagonally towards the wired edge. Get the fishtail and then you measure about 6-inch tail, pinch it, and let's attach it on the side of the bow. You are going to use the pine tips as twist ties, just like so. From there we are going to run the ribbons down the side of the wreath. Let me turn it around for you. Run it loosely, pinch and tie it down again with 2 pine tips. And we are going to cut about 6 inches. And cut the fishtails again. Separate the ribbons so they're both showing. And we are going to repeat same thing on the opposite side. The wreath is looking beautiful even with just a ribbon, but we are going to add some more ornaments, any snowflakes, a cute little sign. This was actually a garden stake from Walmart. And it's always good to add some Christmas pigs to a wreath to take it to another level. Since my ornaments are not big, I put them in clusters. Just thread them with a pipe cleaner in sets of 3 or 2. We are going to attach these clusters over there where the ribbons were tied down to cover up that green ties. Then we are going to attach the little sign at the bottom. Again, we use the pine tips to tie down the garden stake and then added the mittens on the side. Aren't they perfect? Next, cut your Christmas pigs to smaller pieces and spread them throughout the wreath. You can use your little pine tips to attach them and then, of course, use some hot glue to reinforce it so they don't fall out. I also added a few pieces of red berries here and there. My wreath wouldn't be complete without a cherry on top, and I'm thinking snowflakes are just perfect here, right? You can play around with the placement before you glue them down. Dollar Tree sells 2 sizes, large and small, which are perfect here. Take a look at the final result and tell me, how do you like it? It's a red and white snowflake wreath for a change. Most of the time you see the white and blues, right? Don't forget to leave me some snowflake emojis, and take care, my besties. Love you. See you next time. Bye-bye.